So right now with the here, watch out, nice afloat. People nice afloat. Watch out!
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Right now vlog where we are here, we made it to the pool. Now I mean, Big's back there so, Big's ready for swim off. Nice round there so, nice and ready for swim off. You know what I mean? But we're there all day, we just all have vibes. Remember me telling you so we got a pool. So right now we reach a pool, so yeah, up it in a video. The water is so cool, people. The water just cool and nice out there. Nice, so I go and chuck off. Chuck off no nice? Nice rate for chuck off. Yeah, me ever drop my phone. My phone ain't waterproof, you know. Jump off, no? Nice, Fred. Fred for chuck off. What for going? Nice work, God. What are we for? Water warm out here, so you know. And you are 6 feet something? How pink I say?
Yeah, easy. Big man, so what you say?
Pink should have there. I swim in a 5 feet, dog. Cause nice Fred I pool. Nice Fred I pool. We there we are trying to ping pong on phone. And nice there sit down. I know I'm going in the pool, but Biggs don't want to go in the pool too. You know swim?
So far, I want to change right now.
Yeah man, change and forward Biggs. The water there big enough for you all away. You hear the pool big enough for you all away, man. Yeah, watch your man. Stop going someone. Stop going someone. Make it look so bad, right? That's a cool one. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Oh, that's up. Oh, that deep.
Deep with it. Go on deep.
Hey, look.
So we are here live again. The pool is up in full effect. Nice, nearly drawn on 2 times. Here there again. Biggs, you know, chuck off.
How about that? Give me a little space.
Give a little space. We give enough.
Keep the wall yard.
We give enough.
You can review that on your own. Word. Look at that bench fly past. I am see. Facts. Black shit. Keep the wall yard. Keep the wheel.
Got the wheel.
Come on my way, bro.
Biggs way said this, waterproof?
Hell no, I don't know.
Yeah, waterproof. Everything after 8 is waterproof. I'm going on.
It's waterproof, right?
It is waterproof.
Insurance, but I don't know if it's waterproof.
It is.
I don't know.
I tell you waterproof.
I never tried.
Yeah, try it today. I'll try nice.
Let's go.
What?
No, never be a thief. You're not smart. I got insurance on that bitch. I'm going to watch it. My turn. It's only a minute of time though. I think you got like a minute or 30 seconds underwater. I know one thing.
When we have trouble when we dive, man. Just dive, we just swim.
No case or nothing?
No, him have it now. Water case though.
Let me see myself. A pool man for me.
A pool, yeah?
Oh. See out here.
Remember the phone, the waterproof. Man, wet up your phone, Biggs, what's up? Yo, so we swim so till we're tired, we take picture till we're full like a while. So right now we're about to run out of this here because I think the people are not going to take you out now, so we're about to run out here. Alright, we're going to link up back out now. 6. Alright, mad move. So now we just a far from the pool. And there are some bigs there, so. Watch out one there, bigs. Put that one there. Hold on, I'm showing you. They're active. I'll probably climb down a tree. More thing go water. Yes, up when you rush with that. Big fling. Watch out. You look like when you rush off, are we still, you know? Yo, finger stone off 5. Finger stone off 5. Yeah, if you fling a stone off 5, I touch, I jump in a bush. So the brother there now move. Hold on, kind of big stone and he see something. What in there? Yo, take away yourself. Yo, the man even move, you know?
You have something. You have rabies.
Find our next big stone, people. Yo, now move. I'm brave. No, you don't move. Yo, I'm not touching forward down. Look what we try. Try intimidate one of them like while and nothing to work. Still, yeah, if you look up another tree, you know. Right now without the lake. Yeah? What? Peel? Yeah, where?
I like that.
No, so. Where should I lake? We go swimming now. Right now we have some diabetes. And all of them something there. So we're both to go back in the house. So we're going to link them back. We'll reach in. Instead I walk away, wait up in our car. Me and Biggs walk and we just tell drive. Tell Nice to drive. Who not reach it? Nice? It didn't even look like he come on and say, I go all the way around so and go. So it makes sense we go. Yo, it was a nice pool here, I'm not lie to you. It was a very nice pool here. Be a garling out there. I don't know if you're not going to hear me so good too. Because breeze are blow out here. So, when we reach back in the house, we're going to just check in with the look. Yo, they may look like they have when they have kids, you know. We're linking back with them. So vlog world, right now I'm there and you don't know me eat chicken, so I chef up some food for Biggs and Nice. White rice and jerk chicken, you know. Showing jerk chicken. Jerk chicken, you know, in a oven, so you don't know me that fit. Make it look jerky. Yeah man, nice and everything, man. Yeah, that's what me prepare for them, but for me, I go deal with some salmon, you know what I mean? Me have a piece of salmon and more and deal with me, don't know. When me I go to treat yet? Probably jerk it, so I'm not sure. Probably do that. I'm gonna try that. I never did that before. I'm gonna try that right now. I'll link on about. Right now, you don't know, say my barbecue, my jerk sauce, dip on me, you know. So, sigh. So right now, vlog girl, you don't know some there. Only know say I normally do the vlog like that, like I wanna just see it like a while. when me normally share my food, me normally sit down and enjoy my food, me and Uno together. But last night me couldn't do that. Me do jerk chicken and white rice for them last night, and jerk salmon for me with ripe plantain, broccoli, cauliflower, and I think one Irish potato. You know what I mean? Me do that last night. The jerk salmon the bad. Me go do it again and taste it for Uno and consume it with Uno while me I do it. So yeah, Wally did that go on last night because Chabas them did a hurry up and him they have couple things where him they want record before him go New York. Right now Chabas actually in New York right now because tomorrow, today Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday a ding dong birthday party in Amazura, so don't tell you say Chabas did a fly up for that already. But yeah, otherwise from that, right now me and nice them there, me nice and big son, bourbon them downstairs. But we about to get ready for go to the mall today. Them say they want to swim around, so I'm going to probably do swim around for them later and just do a salmon again for myself because I rate the jerk salmon. I best me ever taste salmon in my life and a jerk salmon. And I the first ever I tried, so turn out good. We just going to edit the vlog right now, go on so now have something for watching idea. I big up my G's, them blessings and respect again. Remember always leave a like, always leave a comment because I this me I want to talk. Yeah, right now me about to just upload this, so blessings and respect. Up it in, up it in.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God they make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.